So, should you get a speaker from Amazon, from Apple, or just a regular Bluetooth speaker? Let me break it down. Welcome to Kyler's Studio. And of course, like any product you get, it depends on what you're really looking for. Up to this point, I've mostly been talking about smart speakers and smart devices, but sometimes the best thing might just be a waterproof Bluetooth speaker if you're, say, going out to the pool. Take this DuoTen Bluetooth speaker, for example. It is IP7 dust and water resistant. Now, the nicest thing about this speaker is that it has a battery inside. There's no cord that plugs into it. You don't need an outlet. You just grab it and go. So if you want a sound that's just a little bit bigger than your phone, then this is a great speaker. Just throw it in and you're ready to go. The goal of this video is to be as fast as possible. So we're going to start with speaker number 1, starting from the least favorite of mine to the most favorite. This DuoTen is what we're going to start with. It's not a smart speaker, just a Bluetooth speaker. It has really cool colors that come out the top. It has one kind of speaker that comes out the front, so it's not an omnidirectional speaker, but as far as Bluetooth speakers, it works great. Again, it's on the cheaper end of the spectrum, so you're not going to get amazing sound from it. It's a basic little speaker. Okay, I couldn't bring myself to doing a review without having you hear the speakers, so take a listen. Okay, so that's the DuoTen Bluetooth speaker. Next on the list, the 3rd generation Echo Dot. Now, they're still selling this on Amazon for about $40. The nicest thing is it's connected with the Amazon ecosystem. Sometimes you can pick some of these up on Black Friday for like $20, like half price. So the price per smart connectivity ratio is really good on these. But how does the speaker sound? It sounds right about as good as the DuoTen. The DuoTen has a little bit bigger sub on the top of it, so you might get a little bit more lower range, but as far as apples to apples, they're pretty darn close as far as the sound quality goes. You'll notice that on my setup, I mainly use this as a connection device. I just stick an aux plug in the back and it connects to my big, huge old stereo. Okay, next on the list is the round ball Echo device, I guess you can call it. It's technically the Echo Dot 4th generation. You can get it with or without a clock. You notice the light on the bottom has cool features, connects to the Schmeck's ecosystem. I mean, it looks kind of like a bowling ball. Just don't knock it over. It'll roll off your table. Yes, good, but how does it sound? I mean, it is a little bit bigger, so you'll get a little bit bigger of a sound, but for being twice the price, you could probably stick 2 previous version Echo Dots next to each other and you'd get a much better sound than this one device. Enough said. Now, if you add another $50 to that, the next better is the Amazon Echo Plus. Get it while you can because I think these are in limited supply. Let's have a listen. This was a good version. If you can find it, it's a great choice. Now, Amazon is doing the Echo Studio at another $50, and I'm sure this is an amazing sound. And now, the best smart speaker for the price is the Apple HomePod Mini. But you can get 2 HomePod Minis, stereo sound separated from each other, for the same price. So it may come down to whether you like Siri or Amazon better, but the sound quality in these minis is surprisingly good for as small as they are. I just have one in my bathroom currently. Let's listen. If you're already deep into the Apple ecosystem, these HomePod minis are no-brainers. It may just be a matter of how much money you want to spend on speakers and how many rooms you want them in. For instance, if you can get $20 Echo speakers in every room and you like using a Schmixa, then that might be the way to go, and then just get a few HomePod minis for maybe your entertainment system, for instance. Please subscribe and like if you found any of that helpful, and let me know in the comments what speakers you are buying for your smart home.